Hello and welcome to Learn with Ryan. Today is August the 1st. You're probably thinking, what's so special about August the 1st? Unless it's your birthday, of course. Happy birthday, by the way, if it is your birthday today. But August the 1st is Yorkshire Day. Yorkshire is a region of England where I am from. I'm from West Yorkshire. And in fact, it's one of the regions in Northern England. The full name of the region is Yorkshire and the Humber. And to celebrate, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make a typical dish from Yorkshire called the Yorkshire pudding. Essentially, it's a type of batter we put into the oven and it rises, and then we can have it with a chicken dinner, with gravy, vegetables, you name it. So let's see how to make a giant Yorkshire pudding. So the ingredients we use are very simple. We have 120 grams of all-purpose flour. We have a bit of salt. We have 250 ml of milk. I'm using semi-skim today. And we have 4 eggs, which are lightly beaten with a fork. So now that we have got our ingredients sorted, let's start cooking. Here are the different steps. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 230 degrees Celsius. Step 2. In a mixing bowl, combine flour and some salt. Step 3. Make a well in the flour and pour in the eggs. Step 4. Whisk until smooth. Keep whisking until you have a nice consistency. Step 5. Gradually add the milk and continue to whisk. Make sure you don't add all the milk at once, just add a bit at a time. Step 6. Pour the mixture in a jug and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Step 7. Pour in vegetable oil in a cake tin and make sure the base is completely covered in the oil. Step 8. Place the tin in the oven until the oil is hot and steamy. This can take about 5 to 10 minutes. Step 9. Pour the batter into the tin. You should be able to hear it sizzle. Step 10. Place the tin back into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And then your Yorkshire pudding is done. And here is the beautiful Yorkshire pudding. You can add chicken, rice, and some gravy. And it is an absolute delight. Have a look at this beautiful Yorkshire pudding that I've just made. Topped with rice, chicken, gravy and onions. Absolutely fantastic. Not only does it complete a lovely Sunday dinner, but it also completes an absolutely fabulous Yorkshire day. Let's have a taste. Absolutely fantastic. You should definitely give this a try. Giant Yorkshire pudding. What more could you ask for? Happy Yorkshire Day everyone, and see you very soon for more Learn with Ryan.